breathing slowly through the broken wires. And in my chest a quiet furnace hides its fires. Ghosts walk by in armor made from all my fears, but I've learned to see their faces through the years. There's thunder humming under every scar, a signal calling me from somewhere far. Not heaven, not hell, but a place between, where shattered things wake up and learn to dream. The world can bend my body, but it never bends my will. I stitch myself from ruins and come back twice as real. I got iron in my veins, hear the metal in my pulse. It screams, it stays. When the dark tries to bury me deep, I turn the pressure into something these bones can keep. I don't break, I reshape every fracture into flames. If the world wants war, let it come. I've got iron, 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 iron in my veins. I walk where forgotten prayers dissolve in smoke, where names of the fallen rise but never choke. A field of silence where the brave once stood, a memory carved into my name like wood. But listen close below the frozen ground, there is a heartbeat steady, low, profound. It's mine, untouched by ash or rain, a small rebellion echoing through every vein. You can drown me in shadows, but you won't control my light. I could open the silence and let my spirit fly. I've got iron in my veins, hear the metal in my pulse. It screams, it stays. When the dark tries to smother my spark, I turn the fear into a fire that owns the dark. I don't bend, I transcend every loss that leaves a stain. If the world wants storms, let them roar. I've got iron, 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 iron in my veins. I'm not broken, I'm becoming from the fracture, from the cry, from the moment hope should die. Something ancient wakes in me, something sharp, electric free. Every echo of my doubt is a bell that's burning out, and the silence that remains feeds the eye.